Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to tell if your DJI Mic Mini is connected to your iPhone. So I recently got the DJI Mic Mini and I was wondering this myself. And essentially, in order to test whether or not the mic is connected, the green light on both the transmitter and the receiver is going to stay on. So right now I'm using the transmitter on my iPhone, but you can see here that the light stays green in order to tell if the mic is turned on. So right here, you can see here that I'm currently talking on the mic and the sound quality is clear, but that's essentially how to go ahead and connect it. If you're having trouble, you could actually put both devices off by clicking on this button here. So if you click on this button here and then turn both of them on at the same time, they should automatically connect as far as the transmitter connecting to the receiver. But even so, I hope this helps you figure out how to make sure that your DJI Mic Mini is connected to your iPhone. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.